Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Expert. In this video we will see how to read battery datasheet. Here, we will understand each parameter from LGM50 lithium-ion battery datasheet, which is available in open source. This is cylindrical lithium-ion cell with diameter less than equal to 21.10 mm. Height is less than equal to 70.15 mm. Here manufacturer specified nominal charge discharge energy at standard nominal current is 18.20 Wh. Calculating the capacity for nominal charge discharge energy. Considering nominal voltage is 3.63 volts. Using formula, energy equals voltage amp. Hours. 18.20 equals 3.63 amp. Hours. Amp. Hours equals 5.01. Here manufacturer specified minimum charge discharge energy at standard minimum current is 18.20 Wh. Calculating the capacity for minimum charge discharge energy. Considering nominal voltage is 3.63 volts. Using formula, energy equals voltage amp. Hours. 17.60 equals 3.63 amp. Hours. Amp. Hours equals 4.85. Here manufacturer specified state of charge is 30% means to safely carry this battery from one place to another. Here manufacturer specifies the current and voltage for charging in constant current mode. In stage 1, use 0.3 C, 1.455 amps, constant starting from lower cut-off voltage to reach upper cut-off voltage, which is 4.2 volts. Here manufacturer specifies the current and voltage for charging in constant voltage mode. In stage 2, hold the cell voltage to 4.2 volts to avoid overcharge and reduce the current up to 50 mA. Here manufacturer specifies the safe charging current value for different temperatures. At 0 to 25 Celsius, 145 amps. At 25 to 50 Celsius, 3.395 amps. Here manufacturer specifies the standard current value for constant discharge is 0.970 amps until lower cut-off voltage 2.5 volts to avoid over-discharge. We can discharge the cell using power pulses of less than equal to 80 Watt up to 80% state of charge at temperature 23 to 27 Celsius. These are safe discharge current values at different temperature conditions. These are conditions for storage of the cell based on the duration of storage. Finally, customer need to operate the cell using manufacturer specified conditions for safety and warranty. Thanks for watching.